have the Galaxy M20, which could be the right device for those people who are looking for a budget smartphone with a bigger battery and better performance without paying a huge amount of money. This is available in two different storage variants, while the 3GB RAM with 32GB storage is priced at 10,990 rupees. The 4GB variant with 64GB of internal storage is priced at 12,990 rupees. The Galaxy M series designed to fulfill the needs of the millennials, and those are made for India. The box packaging seems very cheap and it doesn't even look like Samsung's quality material. However, the specification details mentioned on the box. Now, opening up the box, the first thing we get here, the paperwork, like warranty card and quick start guide, which we get with every smartphones. Let's keep the phone aside and take a look at other box contents. The charging brick comes with the Galaxy M20, supports 15-watt rapid charging from Samsung, and happy to see that Samsung finally able to put a Type-C port for data transfer and charging on the Galaxy M20 at this pricing. Now, while setting up the phone, let's take a look at its build and design. On the front, it got a 6.3-inch 19.5:9 PLS TFT Infinity V display with 83% screen-to-body ratio. Also, there you get the Asahi Dragontrail class protection on top. On the left-hand side, there you find the SIM card tray, which supports dual 4G VoLTE plus dedicated microSD card slot for memory expansion. On the right-hand side, there you get the power button and the volume rockers, which all are made of plastic. The back panel, however, look kind of glossy finish, but this is also made out of polycarbonate. Comes in two different color variant, black color and the blue variant. On the back you get the fingerprint scanner and the dual camera setup. The 6.3-inch PLS TFT display looks as sharp as an IPS LCD display. There is no color shifting. Also, because of high screen to body ratio, it feels very premium. Like here we have the OnePlus 60 for comparison, and you can judge yourself. The bezels are minimal on both top and bottom. In terms of software, the Galaxy M20 runs with Samsung's Experience UI 9.5 on top of Android Oreo, and sadly there is no confirmation on future updates. However, the Experience UI packed with a lot of features like Samsung's new navigation gestures, special gaming mode, which I will cover in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Galaxy M20 is powered by Samsung's new 1.8 GHz 14nm based Exynos 7904 Octacore SoC coupled with Mali G71 GPU, which somewhere comparable to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 636 processor, so moderate gaming and handling tasks would be better. Surprisingly, this time Samsung not forget to include all the basic sensors on the Galaxy M20, like the light sensor, proximity sensor, gyroscope and all. Cameras on the M20 improved compared to the previous Samsung devices under the similar price tag. The dual camera setup is a little bit different, as the primary one is a 13 megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture lens. The secondary here is a 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture, works both as a wide angle lens and depth sense to produce the blur background effect. Camera UI is feature rich like stickers, Samsung Live Focus, but specifically switching between the wide angle lens and the normal lens is definitely a nice touch by Samsung. Stay tuned for the in-depth camera review. Audio quality through the single bottom firing speaker is good enough, but using the 3.5mm headphone jack, you can experience Dolby Atmos sound. In terms of battery life, the 5000 mAh battery will easily last you up to 1.5 days, and with a 15-watt rapid charger, you can fill up the juice within 2 hours, which is really great for this budget pricing. Summing up all, now it seems like Samsung may catch up the lead in the budget segment with their M series and the upcoming A series and take the ground from Xiaomi, as Samsung series is better to customers and after-sales service has no comparison. Now, if you are interested in Galaxy M20 and want to buy one for yourself, I'm giving all the purchasing links in the description box. Make sure to check them out. So guys, that's my initial impression on the Galaxy M20. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos on this device, as I will go through the UI and the camera next. Hope you like this video. Subscribe and join the family. If you wanna follow me on Facebook, Insta or Twitter, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.